What if I told you Earth is so small in the universe that if it disappeared right now, the cosmos wouldn't even notice? We look up at the night sky and see stars twinkling, the moon glowing, maybe even a planet or two. To us, Earth feels huge. Oceans, mountains, continents, billions of people. But the shocking truth? Earth is less than a grain of sand in the vast cosmic desert. And today, we're going to travel step by step from our tiny blue planet to the very edges of the observable universe, to truly understand just how small we really are. Stick around till the end, because the final perspective will blow your mind. Let's start with home. Earth has a diameter of about 12,742 kilometers. Sounds massive, right? Yet in space terms, it's a pebble. Floating around the sun, Earth is just one planet among billions, fragile and insignificant in the cosmic scale. Now lift your eyes a little higher, to the moon. It's 384,400 kilometers away. That's 30 times Earth's diameter. We think it's far, but in cosmic distances, it's like the house next door. Satellites orbit us just a few hundred kilometers up, which is barely leaving our driveway compared to what lies ahead. Next stop, Jupiter. This gas giant is 142,984 kilometers wide, 11 times Earth's diameter. Imagine stacking 11 Earths side by side, and you just match Jupiter. Beyond it, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune stretch the solar system billions of kilometers, each dwarfing Earth. Our planet is already starting to look microscopic. The solar system itself extends far beyond Neptune. The edge of the heliosphere, the bubble created by the sun's influence, is about 100 astronomical units away. That's 15 billion kilometers. Beyond that, the icy Kuiper belt and the almost mythical Oort cloud may stretch up to 100,000 astronomical units. And yet all of this, everything, is just our solar backyard. Let's pause for a comparison. The sun is 109 times wider than Earth and holds 99.8% of all mass in the solar system. In fact, you could fit about 1.3 million Earths inside the sun. That's how tiny our home planet is, even in our own neighborhood. Zoom out again. Our sun is one of over 100 billion stars inside the Milky Way. The galaxy spans about 100,000 light years. Imagine traveling at the speed of light. You'd still need 100,000 years to cross it. And Earth? It's orbiting in one small spiral arm, nearly invisible against the galaxy's ocean of stars. Now look outside the Milky Way. The Andromeda galaxy is our nearest large neighbor, 2.5 million light-years away. That means the light you see from Andromeda tonight actually left that galaxy before humans even existed. And Andromeda is just one of billions of galaxies out there. Galaxies don't float alone. They group into clusters and superclusters. The Virgo supercluster, which contains the Milky Way, is about 110 million light-years across. That's hundreds of thousands of galaxies bound together. And these superclusters form an enormous web-like structure stretching across the universe. Finally, the biggest picture we can see, the observable universe. It's about 93 billion light-years across, holding around 2 trillion galaxies. Even if you traveled at the speed of light, it would take billions of years to cross it. Everything we know, every star, every planet, every galaxy, fits into this mind-bending sphere. But here's the twist. The universe beyond what we can observe is likely much, much bigger, maybe infinite. Some regions are expanding faster than light itself, which means we'll never see them. Earth, the solar system, even the Milky Way, are all just tiny sparks in an ocean without end. So the next time you look up at the sky, remember this. Our planet is fragile, fleeting, and almost invisible on the cosmic stage. And yet, it's the only home we have. The vastness of the universe doesn't make us insignificant. It makes life here all the more precious.